Good morning, first graders. Welcome to another whole group reading lesson. We are on day 2 of week 4 of unit 6. All right, remember we are talking about our 3-letter blends this week, and there aren't any sound spelling cards for them. So I have our lovely spelling cards here on the screen for you. So let's start from the top left, work our way to the top right, and then again on the bottom row, starting left to right. So our top left card, we have SCR. What sound does that make? Skr, very good. And the words that are examples of that are screech and screen, very good. The middle one, SPL, what sound do those make? Spull, very good. And the examples are splash and split. Let's go to our next one. SPR says spur, very good. And examples are spring and sprig. All right, bottom left. SHR, what sound do those make? Sure, very good. And the words that are examples are shrimp and shrug. In our bottom middle, we have STR. Which sounds do those make? Stir. Awesome. And our words that are examples are striped and stream. And our bottom right, THR. What sound do those make? Thur. Very good. And our examples are thrown and three. Awesome job. Here are some words that use those 3-letter blends. We are going to start with the word STREET in the top left, working our way from left to right, from top to bottom. Ready? Street, scrap, splash. Next line. Sprout, 3, shrug. Next line. Strong, scrub, spray. Next line down. Through, split, thrown. And the last line. Straw, shrink, spread. Good reading, friends. Pat yourself on the back for that one. That was amazing. All right, here are our sight words for this week. Remember, you are welcome to do any actions that you would like as you spell out the words. Write them with your finger, basketball, volcano, snowman, baby shark, whatever you want. I am probably going to write these with my finger today. So if you want to match me, that's great. And if not, you do you. Ready? What is this word? Before. Very good. Let's spell it. Ready? B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. And let's read the sentence. I go before you in line order. What is this word? Front. Very good. Let's spell it. Ready? F-R-O-N-T. Front. And let's read the sentence. Push the cart in front of you. What is this word? Heard. Very good. Ready? H-E-A-R-D. Heard. And let's read that sentence. Have you heard that we have 2 weeks of school left? Ready? What is this word? Push. Let's spell it. Ready? P-U-S-H. Push. And let's read the sentence. Push the door open to go into the store. What is this word? Tomorrow. Ready? T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Tomorrow. And let's read the sentence. What day will it be tomorrow? What is this word? Your. Very good. Ready? Y-O-U-R. Your. And let's read the sentence. Did you have fun on your birthday? Here are words from our story that we will be reading again today. Let's review these going from top to bottom, from left to right. Ready? Scratched, split. Next line. Spread, strange. Next line. 3, shrimp. And the last line. Stream, shrugged. Good reading. All right, here are our phrases. Again, we're going to start from the top left, go down to the bottom left, then over top right to bottom right. Ready? Top left. On his throne. Next one. 3 plump shrimp. Next one. He spread the sauce. Next one. The king gnawed. Now the top right. He screeched. Next one. He split each shrimp. Next one. Striped fish for supper. And the last one. He threw down. Here are our sentences. Go ahead and read that top sentence to yourself. All right, let's read it together. Ready? Each night, the king had 3 shrimp with sauce on top. And go ahead and read that bottom one to yourself. And let's read it together. Ready? Today, there were no striped fish from the stream. Good reading, friends. Here is our story, and we're going to read it all together with our best reading voices. So go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Shoulders are back. Nice deep breath in. And blow it out. You've got that oxygen ready. That brain is ready. You are looking good, my friends. Let's do this. Ready? 3 shrimp. The king sat down on his throne. He clapped his hands. Striped fish for supper, please, he screeched. He gave the same order each night. The cook heard the king's order. He scratched his head. He did not know what to do. Today there were no striped fish from the stream. The cook only had 3 plump shrimp. The cook had to think fast. He split each shrimp in 2 and put them on a plate. He spread the sauce on top. The meal was set before the king. The king took a bite. He threw down his fork and gave his plate a push. This fish tastes strange, said the king. It is not my order. The cook stood in front of the king. Sir, I had no striped fish. The king gnawed on a bit more shrimp. Then the king shrugged. The king smiled. I think I like your shrimp better than the striped fish. Tomorrow I will eat shrimp again. Each night the king had 3 shrimp with sauce on top. Give yourself a high five. That was excellent reading. All right, structural analysis. We're going to talk about something called inflectional endings, ed and ing. So when ed is added to a verb or an action word, it tells about something that already happened. This could have happened earlier in the day. This could have happened yesterday, weeks ago, whatever. When ing is added to a verb or an action word, it tells about something that is happening now, right now in the present. So the verb that we're given on this page is scrape. Now remember also, when a word ends in E, if we're adding an inflectional ending, especially ing, you have to drop the E before you add the ending. Now, what is Miss J's rule when it comes to adding the ending ed to a word that ends in E? That's right. Just add the D. Why I erase the E and then rewrite the E to add ed? It's more work than I have to do. Just add the D, okay? So let's look at how we did this in these 2 words. So we have scrape. Underneath the word scrape is the word scraped. Like, I scraped my knee yesterday. Don't worry, I didn't actually. But if you notice, they have the ending ed. Now, they would tell you the rule in English is drop the E and then add ed. But what does Miss J tell you? Just add the D. Very good. Now, underneath scraped is the word scraping. I am scraping my nails on my hand. Now, if you notice, they did drop the E before adding ing. So that does need to happen when you add the ing ending. And that described what I was doing right then. So let's look at another one. We have the word scrub. Now, with a word that ends in a consonant, anything other than A, E, I, O, or U, if the vowel sound before the consonant is a short vowel sound, like in scrub. It's that short sound. We're going to have to double that final consonant. We're going to have to make two of them. So when I want to write the word scrubbed, I need to add another B before I add the ED. I scrubbed the bathroom yesterday. Okay, same with adding ing. I have to double the B, so put another B before I add ing. I am scrubbing the tabletop. Now let's review our pronouns I and me by looking at a few sentences, and then we'll try some fill in the blanks. So this top sentence says, I will tie a string around the box. What is the pronoun in the sentence? I, very good. And is it the subject of the sentence? Yes, it is. The verb is will tie. So I does come before the verb, and it is the subject of a sentence. The next sentence says, Gran spent the day with me. Which pronoun did we use there? Me, very good. Is it the subject of the sentence? Not on this one, no. The subject of the sentence is Gran. Gran is our subject because she came before the verb spent. All right, let's see how you guys do at filling in the blank. My brother and blank share a bedroom. Is it my brother and I or my brother and me? It's I, very good. My brother and I share a bedroom. Which pronoun did I use? I. And is it the subject of our sentence? It is part of the subject. This whole subject of this sentence is my brother and I, because that whole phrase comes before the verb share. Now let's look at our next sentence. Mom helped blank paint a stripe on my bike. Mom helped I or mom helped me? Mom helped me. Very good. Our pronoun is going to be me. Is it part of our subject of our sentence? It's not. Our subject of the sentence in this one is mom, because mom is what comes before the word helped. Good reading today, friends. You are amazing, and I am so proud of the reading and the work that you guys are doing. Keep up the excellent work, and I will see you soon for another whole group reading lesson.